Hey guys, quick update video here. The ornate Bentley is still in my kitchen despite me saying it's too ornate for the kitchen. Just because I love it, I haven't figured out another place to put it yet. But I did manage to get this set of cane A&G blades. And I was thinking that these were a 36-inch set, in which case then that would have opened up a lot of possibilities of other places to put this. They are 46. They're almost identical to the blades on the Imperial. The difference being the blade tips and of course the hole pattern. Um, so I still wanted to try them on this. Um, I like that they're cane, but I think I like the other blades better on this. Still, I'm probably gonna leave them because the other blades go to another fan. So I was finally able to use the correct irons and have a set of blades that goes to this fan. So yeah, they're probably gonna stay, even though I like the look of the other ones better. Maybe these will grow on me. Maybe this will help me find a different place for this fan. I don't know. So let's do a brief test video. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G 10%. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G 20%. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G 30%. Alexa, dining room lights off. I think that looks better from this angle. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G 40%. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G 50%. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G 100%. Alexa, kitchen fan A&G off. The name is just supposed to be kitchen fan, but the problem was I've switched controls so many times that Alexa got confused, and so it was easier just to say kitchen fan A&G. I am going to rework the entire network, and it will go back to being just kitchen fan whenever the permanent fan for here is discovered, which, I mean, still could be this one, but again, I'd love to put this huge ornate motor somewhere else. Thanks for watching.